How to remove eyelash glue stains from fabric.
In this video, we'll be discussing the best way to remove eyelash glue stains from fabric. Whether it's your favorite piece of clothing, a pillowcase, or a delicate accessory, there's no need to worry. We've got you covered.
What do you need to prepare?
Before starting, gather these materials: a blunt object, like a spoon or a butter knife, a clean, white cloth, rubbing alcohol or acetone, nail polish remover, water, mild detergent, soft bristle toothbrush or sponge.
How to remove the eyelash glue stain.
1. Remove excess glue. Gently scrape off any excess glue from the fabric using the blunt object. Be careful not to damage the fibers. 2. Apply rubbing alcohol or acetone. Moisten the clean, white cloth with rubbing alcohol or acetone. Note: test on an inconspicuous area of the fabric first to ensure it won't damage or discolor the material. 3. Blot the stain. Gently dab the moistened cloth onto the glue stain. Do not rub, as this may spread the stain further or damage the fabric. 4. Repeat as needed. Continue blotting the stain until it has been significantly removed or lightened. Change the cloth as needed. 5. Rinse the fabric. Carefully rinse the treated area with cold water to remove any residue from the rubbing alcohol or acetone.
How to wash the fabric after stain removal.
1. Apply mild detergent. Apply a small amount of mild detergent directly to the stained area and gently work it in using a soft bristle toothbrush or sponge. 2. Wash the fabric. Wash the fabric according to its care label instructions. For delicate fabrics, hand washing is recommended. 3. Inspect the fabric. After washing, check to see if the stain is completely gone. If not, repeat the process. 4. Dry the fabric. Dry the fabric as per the care label instructions. Avoid using high heat as it can cause the glue stain to set further. By following these steps, you should be able to successfully remove eyelash glue stains from fabric. Remember to always test any cleaning solutions on a hidden area first to ensure they won't damage your fabric. Happy cleaning!